Here's how we find inverse. We have gotten determinant a bit. The inverse of that determinant. Multiply by the original bit. Here's the original. The original. And there is a major diagonal and there is minor. That major will change their position. Are you seeing the major? The way I change it. And the minor, I won't change it. But I'll multiply the minor by a negative sign. And this is our formula. Another formula. Every matrix, and that is 2 by 2, 3 by 4 by 2, 10 by 10. Every matrix multiplied by its inverse must give us identity matrix. That's another formula for you, but we'll show you as we progress. That is where we are. How to find determinant, they have seen it. Inverse, they have seen it. The original matrix is that P. Multiplied by the inverse, it must give us identity matrix. Let's take one question and show them before we go into past question. Question 1 for today. I'm still using that P. I have 4, 5, 3, 6. Like this. Determinant, they all know it. 4 times 6, 3 times 5. Agree? There's nobody in this class that does not know this. Anybody? Times table. 4 times 6 is times table. 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is this. There's nobody that does not know this. 4 times 24. Do you have calculator? If you don't have calculator, you may not know it. Nice, school fees will soon come. So, because if you don't have calculator and you are paid, how are we going to do it? You have to get calculator to press this. No, it's not P raised to power minus 1. P raised to power minus 1. That's inverse of matrix P. Is that okay? Subtraction. Somebody help us. Is it 9? Right. Any question? How to find determinant of 2 by 2? Is there anyone that can get it? Nobody. Thank God for everything. Inverse. 1 over what? You know I got 9, Abby. And that is the determinant. 1 over determinant. 1 over 9. This is 4 and what? We change it, Abby. Transposition. 4. 6 and what? The minor is 5 and 3, Abby. Multiply by what? Minus. So this is what I'm actually saying. Plus, minus, plus. Are you seeing it? Plus times 6 is still plus. Minus times that 5, it has minus. Minus times that 3, it has 4 is still plus. But like I said, don't worry, I said, just change the position and multiply the minor by negative. That means if minor was having minus 5, because it's not plus. Now, to check whether we are right or wrong. Check. Matrix P times this must give us I, Abby. It must. 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6 times 1 over 9, 6, 5, minus 3, 4. We say it must give us what? So we bring 1 over 9 out. We all know multiplication, Abby. We taught you how to multiply. And I remember they went home to try it. This is 1 over what? What's our rule? Times table. What's our rule? So times. Row times. Okay, I thought they went to. I checked it out. Row times column. 4 times 6 plus minus 15. That will be 9. Have it? 4 times 6 is 24. Plus minus 15. Have it? That will be 24 minus 15. That will be 9. Have it? Another row. Roll again times column. 4 times minus 5 minus 20. Have it? Plus 20. That will be what? Are they here? Yes. We are multiplying. I thought you went to practice what we did. We did. Okay. Roll again. I'm multiplying this because there will be a question and they solve to do. And they have something like that. That's what I'm trying to let you know. These two join together must be what is. So there are questions like that. Okay. Roll again times column. 3 times 6, 18. Plus minus 18. Roll again. 3 times 6 minus 15. Plus 24. Results. And this is called identity what? Have you seen that the formula is in order? That's a theorem you must remember. They may not tell you to prove it, but you have to know that every matrix multiplied by its inverse must give us identity. Is it clear? Put it down, put it down. You are happy. Why are you saying? That's a question. So you gave us one rule that said R times C. That's all it is. But I think we didn't use that for addition and subtraction. No, we can't use it for addition. Only for multiplication. Only for multiplication. Addition and subtraction is very direct, Nabi. Yeah. One element plus another element to get the value. So we do not. Are we there? If we know, there are right. We understand. One of those things. I hope I have not caused any problems. So I go and look at the board. Those people looking at the board. So any question? Ask. Final one. The inverse, yes. Anything. Number is number. Numbers can be positive or what? Treat it the way it is. If there was minus there before, but not a minus, because that's why they say that one of the basic operation in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And addition does not only mean 2 times 2 plus 1. It's both positive and negative. Yes. We must know how to add all of them. Okay? Did you understand us? Sorry? No, we are taking it easy. Before we do 3 by 3, we have to finish this 2 by 2 with some questions that will follow now from this basket. Sorry, I knew that I stepped on. I wanted to you are confessing? Yes, I'm confessing. Okay, let's take it today. Don't worry. Oh, look at the board. Thank you, sir. This is the question, Abi. Okay. This is the question in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. That means this is 2 rows and 2 columns. You agree? Fine. Now to find determinant of this is A times D minus B times C, which is what you are seeing here. We have got the determinant. To find the inverse of this determinant is 1 over something. Then this major diagonal, change their position. Take the D up, bring the A down. That's what you saw here. And then not inverse, changing their position, kind of transport. Is that okay? This minor diagonal multiplied by minus sign. If minus was there before it become plus. And we are maybe to understand this one multiplied by this must give me identity minus. And which is what we check. This is the real question now with number 4, 5, 6. I mean, of this matrix will be 4, 5, minus 5, minus 3, or minus 3, minus 5, which is this. Now, and that's what those who came before us said. You have to obey them. Obedience. If you disobey them, let's not let them. Just have to. They say it to God. And who am I?
What's the essence of those signs?
No, I will tell you. My job is there is called for practice. But let's do that. That was why I was multiplying this and minus. But this plus, this plus, this minus. And plus will not change anything here. There's only this one. And minus will come. So that's what you understand. So I've gotten this again. Inverse. Inverse of matrix. That 9 to 1 over 9, have it? We take this one up, bring this one down. Multiply the minor by minus. That's all. I said, what was here before? Bring for that. 6 went up. And this minor, multiply by this minus. That's all. And you are succeeding in getting the inverse of the matrix. And I told you that every matrix multiplied by its inverse must give us identity matrix. If it's 3 by 3, the same to 1 of 4. Is that okay? But in this exam, what we are concerned more is more of how to find determinant. But the person will solve now is all about determinant.
You not go for that.
Yes, they will not go there. But in case this small one, they may understand it. Understand. Another one. P raised to power what? T. P raised to power T means transposition of matrix P. That means our rule. First rule becomes first column. Second rule becomes second column. Or first column becomes first column. Second column becomes second row. Look at the board row. Right. 4, 5. It's first row, Labi. It becomes 4, 5. 3, 6. The second row. It becomes second column. Or first column becomes first row. Second column becomes second row. What I'm trying to bring at here is that BT is equal to 4 times 5 minus 5 times 3. 24 minus 15 equal to what? Ladies and gentlemen, it is true that the matrix, determinant of matrix P and its transpose must be what? Take note of another theorem. Another theorem to show you that the transpose of every matrix, their determinant are what? The same. And that's what we just did there. When you this PT, transpose of this original matrix, yes, it is the matrix. Transposition of this is this. You find determinant of P and find determinant of P transpose. The result is the same. That's what I just put for you on the board. Every matrix and their transpose, their determinants are always equal. They cannot change. Because we have known how to find determinants, we can now apply determinants in questions like this. This is a page of which is this is 2018-2019. 2018-2019. We solved some the other time. We were able to solve for this time around. Part 2. Part 2 has number 1 and it has number 2. So if that 2 that concern us here, I will still write it. For those who are over there. Okay, let's see. 40 For today, this question 2. So, listen it. What is 1 plus 10x2 equal to 130? Number 2. I did go. 229. The first one says solve. Number 2. 2018, 2019. 2018, 2019. Yes. 2018, 2019. Part 2, theory, question 2. I read. It says solve the following system of linear equations using the Cramer's rule. Cramer na person. Cramer's what? Rule. According to that professor, he said that we can solve. Twenty 2019. Now you are looking at 2019, 20. Have you seen it? So what you are seeing here is what they call simultaneous equation. We want to solve simultaneous equation of 2 variables. We have simultaneous equation of 3 variables, 4, 5, 6, like that. But this one is just 2 variables, which in lower version or lower level, like secondary school or undergraduate, you can solve this using elimination method, substitution. But they say they don't want that. And you must use Cramer's rule. They respect this person. They say use. And if you use another method, you must use this man. And this man, his theorem is based on determinant. And we all know that look up. Even this S1 is easy. We can say yes, X, and yes, Y, yes, X, yes, Y. It's okay. It's still the same thing. So don't mind whether it's S2. It doesn't make any difference. These are all very, very, very okay. Fine. This is all we do. This equation 1 will form the rule, the first rule. Look up. Our problem is not right, 40, 10. That's first rule, I mean. Yes. Is that the arranger? First rule. Second rule. Is it clear? It's a matrix. 2 by. And this matrix came from 2 variables. X1 and S1. There's a column matrix. Any question? Because it's theory, that's how you must arrange this in exam. Equal to 1 what? And what? Another what? Is it clear? From our knowledge of multiplication. Roll times column. Okay. Roll times column. Okay, this. Another roll times column. Okay, this. Equal to this. Then we say roll times 6 equal to what? That's right. Roll times 6 equal to what? That is just from here to here. That's what we do. That's right. That's right. If this is the answer, then there's no need. You'll be getting marks anyhow. Is it clear? If you look at the board, there's an original matrix. The original matrix is 40, 10. That's the original. So we're going to form more matrices. 2 more. 2 more matrices. Because it's 2 variables. If it is 3 variables, from 3 more matrices. But here is a 2 by 2 matrix. But from 2 more. So make the whole matrix how many? 3. I will find the determinant of all our answer will come out. So, without wasting much of our time, let me call this A. This is the first matrix, Abi. The original one. The second one is A what? Because of this video. I'm forming another one. What is this? Roll Abi. First roll Abi. What is this? I swap. If you know how to swap. Second matrix form. Any question? Says I do. Another matrix. X what? This is 40. This is 21. This is the first column. You know, I swapped this the first time. It's now the turn of this one. So we swap with that same color. Which is what? And what? How many matrices do I have now? Any question?
Yes.
Yeah. Which I don't understand. You understood this. You understood this. How many columns are here? This is another column. Replace the first column with this. Replace the second column. Why the other column remain constant? Abi? How many matrices now? 3. Is that okay?
Is that the rule?
Now?
Hello, sir.
Can we find the determinant of this? Can we find the determinant of this? Don't waste our time. There are 3 matrices on the board, Abi. Find the determinant of A. Find the determinant of AS1. Find the determinant of AS2. Do not sleep, please. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. Find the determinant of A. Find the determinant of AS1. Find the determinant of AS2. We all know how to find the determinant of common 2 by 2. Oh yeah, don't waste our time. It's just to press calculate answer of common. You're not even the one doing it. Just to press it. We are waiting so that we can get the answer. Please go. No, see now, this is first variable. The first column will go away and be replaced by this. First column will be replaced by this. Second column will be replaced by this in the new matrix. Right? So always start with the first one, which is AS1, which is the first variable.
So how many is having an 3 or 2?
How many people?
Because
I said look for this. Look for this. Look for this. Only
so nothing changes with the first one. It's the same as the same.
this one is the original.
Original.
Original. This one's
We change it.
yes.
Which one are we looking for, Mr. Otto?
Would it even be more than this?
So it can't be more than this because it's 2 variable. If it's 3, we'll get 3 more, make it 4. This one is just 3 at the end of this. So now we have 3 columns. We have to replace the 3 columns to get 3 more matrices. Plus the original making 4. We'll also find the determinant of all the whole. There are 3 determinants. A is what? 1,000 first one. Second one. Third one. We'll know whether I right. But if everybody gets the same determinants, how far you are going to finish it? Okay. No worry. At least I can take off this one. Not to waste our time, matrix of A is 40 times 35 minus 10 times 27. Result, those are trying.
1,130.
1,4. This one, result. 1,000. 1,000. S1, determinant. 135 of it, and 35, and 10 times 9. What is it? 455. Like this, have it. Minus 2, 9, result.
2260.
Those of us online, are you there?
2,260.
Okay, 2,260. They are even following. 2,260. They are following. AS2, because these things are not work now. Just to multiply something. Press not they are not even the one doing it. Press calculator. Answer comes out. I wanna work again. And what's the result for this? 9,000 like this, Abby. Minus 3,510. What's the answer? 5,650. That's all. That's what I was expecting. Finally, therefore, X1. You go on looking for X1 and then what? X2. X1 will be equal to determinant of AS1 all over determinant of what? A. X2 is equal to determinant of S2 all over determinant of what? A. This AS is what? 2260. Divide. Original 1130. Answer. Who did? Nobody. AS 5650 over 1130. Result. Anybody? First result. 2. This one got 3. I'm gonna 4. 5, Abby. This one 5. Nobody's happy. 5, Abby. The spirit just told me. And that is the final answer. How on I This is the final answer. S1 is what? S2. 5, 9. No, they see as they come out. That's the answer. So check whether you're right or in case of examination.
Sorry, please. Hello.
Go ahead. Talk.
Okay, where do you pick the question? Sorry.
Oh, the question 2018-2019. Theory number 2. You can snap and send to them. Watch in exam. So check whether you're right or even an objective question. Watch you. What was my S1? I'll put 2 here. 40 times 2. That's 80, Abby. Plus 10, plus 50, Abby. Is it correct? We no move. Here is 2, Abby. You can't just check one and stop. We check everything. This one is 2, Abby. Multiply. This one is 5. Add it. You must give us this. Alpha. I never check. So if you are doing like that, and the 2 are equal, we no book, no be small. Any question? I can hear you. Go ahead. That is how to solve what is it called? Simultaneous equation of 2 by 2 using Cramer's rule. That's all. That one don't go. We have tried our best. We are moving on to 3 by 3. Any question? If you don't understand, let us know. This is not part of the show. This one don't go. No, I know clean. I just did. So that some people will know where we started. This is where we started. Number 2. It did not work. It did not work. It did not work. It worked, Abi. Eh, Nne Alpha, how are you doing? Oh, the Lord is great. She said I should not worry. Lord is great. Let's look at still on that same page. There is number one. That's how you find determinant of matrix what? A. But I first, which is matrix 3 by 3 now. We just did 2 by 2, Abi. There is a determinant of 3 by what? Matrices. The one we just finished now was a determinant of 2 by 2, which I believe you are copying. I solved one myself. I gave you one to try, and I gave you another 3 to try, and I still did the correct. We don't try. Sorry. For one small topic. Let's see 3 by 3. If you can do 3 by 3, you can do 4 by 4. You can do 5 by 5. You can. There's 4 by 4 here? In this question, that same year we are. There's 4 by 4. So if you can do 3 by 3, you can do 4 by 4. You can do 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, 8 by 8, 9 by 9. As far as it is square man, you can do it. And then from 3 by 3 up, you can do it. If they can put 4 by 4 here, they may bring 5 by 5.
What number is 4 by 4?
Number 5, objective is 4 by 4. Have you seen it? You don't see it. When they bring it, don't click it. And it's 4 by 4.
4 by 4.
How many rows? Is it not 4? 4 by 4, that's a square matrix. You can only find determinant of square matrix. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, until you're tired. You understand? Oh, yeah. We'll give you a formula. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and what? Are you there? No. Another subtopic. We are still number 2. But this is another subtopic for us to put more numbers, have it? C. Matrix C. These are the elements, have it? Or numbers or alphabet. As there. See the theorem. Don't waste time in examination. The formula is what? Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Have you seen it? That means you can do 4 by 4. You can do 5 by 5. You can do 6 by 6 until you are tired. Have you seen that the thing continues like that? So that number 4 now, so number 5 I saw here, that is 4 by 4. You can do it. Because all you need to do, the fourth one will be what? If it is 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, 8 by 9. Like that. Is it clear? At least you have seen the formula. For the purpose of what we are doing, this is why we are stopping at it, because 3 by 3. What you are you there? Stop writing and look at it. So it's important. If you don't look at it, you won't understand. You just need to look. This is plus Abi on the first cell, which is A. This A stands at the junction, Abi, of both roll, and column, Abi. These are roll, these are column. Are you following? This roll will die. That means you won't see it again. This column will die. What are you seeing now? You got the gist. Plus what? A. What you are seeing is E, M, H. Any question? The next symbol is what? Minus what? That B is also representing a column, and a row. They will die. What I see? D, 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 F, G, I, plus C. The whole of that row will also die column. Remaining D, E, G, H. And this is the form of. We all know that this is 2 by 2. This line, what does it mean? So determinant of 2 by 2 times what? Determinant of 2 by 2 times what? Determinant of 2 by 2 times what? Add everything together. And that is our data. We'll take the question here, sharp, sharp. This is now question 3 for today. This is A. This is 2, 1, 4. This is 9, 4, 5, 4, 6, and what? 7. The question says find the data, which we all know that is plus, minus, plus. Determinant what? A plus what? 2 into 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus what? 1 into 9, 5, 4, 6, 7. Thank you. I don't understand. Plus 4 into 9, 4, 4. Okay, 4. That doesn't even call up for me. That means they have gotten it. We thank God. Any question? Hey, it's the same thing. This is it. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it's theory. Now, we now move to determinant of this will be what? 28, Abi? Minus 30, Abi? You agree, Abi? That will not be work again. Plus 1 into 60 what? Abi? So we have done determinant. Plus what? 4 into 50 what? Minus what? Any question now? Determinant. That's why we started with the 2 by. So that when we get to 3 by 3, we understand. When I get to 4 by 4, we also understand 3 by 3. They work plenty. You collected from me. Nobody forced you. Nobody forced you, Abi. Nobody forced you, Abi. I say you want to do professional masters, MBA. No, it's a professional master. Cofactor. That is when you want to find inverse of 3 by 3. That's when you talk about cofactor. We also have minor matrix. Minor. Major is the no. Minor, the major is the other side. But minor matrix of cofactor. So we'll get the info way. But let's continue on this page. Because this one I will not solve simultaneous of 3 by 3. So that we can understand. I want everybody to understand. So that so that everybody will be very happy. So what's the result there? I believe we are still taking it easy.
105.
Okay, no, let's take. Okay, this one is what is it? Minus 2.
Minus 4.
Times it. Minus 4. Abi? This one.
Minus 43.
What? Good. Then this one.
Plus 152.
152. So everything now is what?
Minus
105. No minus.
Plus 105.
Okay, plus, Abi. Good. Any question? Who cannot do this job on his own? Anyone? And there are more questions in that. There are more. But let's quickly do that 4 by 4 before we go further. In that same place, there is 4 by 4 of number 5. Or you can do that one, Abi. You can do 4 by 4 by yourself. And waiting again, remember for 3 by 3. There are nothing for 3 by 3. What will only happen is that figures can change, Abi. Figures can change with minus or plus, and you can cope with minus sign, Abi. We're not just starting mathematics, no matter what. Because one is an adult, you can cope. You can cope. That's why I remember you paid money. I don't want to disappoint those who are looking upon you. So, when you pay that money first, that school fees money, big one. After paying it, and your son or daughter or those around are aware you are going to school, you want to disappoint them. You can't come back and say, I could not continue. One day they will tell you that you could not even finish it. It's important. Those who send you for this work, but your children or those who are good saw you when you were going, and you are going to school. Mommy, are you going to school? It's not a business. Okay. I wonder how, in short, that was even what made one woman went to Stanway School in Unilag when he wanted to teach the child in primary 4 to solve quantitative, and the son and the daughter was, Mommy, you don't know it. He said, I know it too. Mommy, you don't know it. Just go and solve from our small, for me, no. This woman got an arrangement for some, you have to come. Well, this student, I don't know anything. Let me go and she finished out. Now just that small insult from this student. It's a serious issue. So don't let them start telling you you couldn't pass MBA. And you are telling me, you think it's play. So let's look at that 4 by 4 according to them. This is now number 4 question, Abi. No, it's number 5 that is there. But this is number 4 for our board today. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 4, 2. 0, 2, 2, 2. 0, 0, 4, 3. 0, 0. Is that? This is 4 by 4. The 4 each. 4 rows and 4 columns, Abi. And I'll give you the formula in case you have forgotten. No, the question says find determinant of this matrix. Answer is 105. It's not, we are not solving simultaneously. This one says find determinant of this 3 by 3. The answer is 105. That's all. No, we'll get to that kind of level. There are questions like that. Make sure you are noticing the question. This one says find determinant of matrix A. We have found it. 105. If we are asked to find X, there's no X there now. It's number that is there. So we'll get to that type. The one we did in 2 by 2, Abi, that type. And it's different from this. Oh yeah. This is a plus, minus, plus, minus. I think this is class to number 5. For number 4 for board here. Have you seen it? Number 5, objective is even objective. And there is no shortcut to that objective. You must solve. This one is objective now. There's no alphabet for you to check anything. So you have to work. So we move. And what was written there? A, Abi? No, A. No. Forget. Just A, whether anything. What we notice the matrix. We have given it A. Whether A1 you want to give it, there's nothing wrong. So, but let's see. Determinant of A plus 1. I know. I don't say you talking. Talking. Go me to Asiam. Oh God. You better take it easy. Ah, last week you no pay. Say last week you no pay. Oh yeah, you don't say. Yeah. What you know you will ask you why you not complaining. See, but this plus 1, Abi. Plus 1. Gone. Die. Have you forgotten? It's something you will see when I go. When I come to work. I mean, there's a place you want to go. Plus or minus 2. The same thing, Abi. So we have 0, 2, 2, 2. 0, 4, 3. 0, 0, 2. Is it correct? This is plus 2, Abi. The whole of this will go away, Abi. This one too will go. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that okay? Then the next one is plus 4. Plus 4. 4, Abi. God, Abi. So I left it 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 3, Abi. 0, 0, 2. God. Then we'll continue. Minus 2. And that one is clear. 0, 2, 2. 0, 0, 4. 0, 0, 0. Is it clear? If it were 5 by 5, you continue like that. 6 by 6. 20 by 20. You continue. But I know they can't go beyond the 4 we have seen here. You may not even see. What is objective? And you are expected to run it. But this time may not come out, but just understand it. But don't also say she not practice. You know, this one we have to do 3 by 3. You can do it, Abi. Run it. People have taught you how to do 3 by 3. You have to do 3 by 3 now. Multiply by this. Do 3 by 3. Multiply by this. Do 3 by 3. Multiply by this. Do this one. So why are we wasting our time? Can't you do that? You can't do it. So that we can move ahead.
We can't do it though.
So if we don't allow for online, we can't do it. I heard you.
Hello?
What is it?
Hey,
Any
birthday
question?
girl. Happy birthday. How are you, love? My sweetheart, how are you?
Who be that?
Oh, baby, dele, dele, baby. Oh, baby, dele, 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 dele.
Amanda, beg
Come with it down.
What's up with this
How are
one?
you, love? Happy birthday. May God bless you. May God keep you. May God cause his face to shine
Can
upon you.
someone move this person,
Every day
please?
of your life have reason to be
Happy
happy.
birthday
Have
for this
reason to
one.
smile. God will wipe away every
Amanda,
secret tear
this is your happy
and answer
birthday.
every secret
You
prayer
don't
of yours.
enter
It is
spirit,
well with
I
you.
beg.
Amanda is not hearing. Somebody should
You
mute
will
her
always
now.
Okay,
have.
let's take this thing
It
like
is
this so
well
that it will
with
be
you.
clear.
God will bless you with abundant peace in your
2,
heart.
2, 2, 0, 4, 5. Okay, 3.
My name is Siabi.
Again and
Then
again and
0, 0, 2, Abi. This is 3 by. We have 3. Okay, 4. 4. Is it 4? Okay, yes. 4, 3 by 3 matrix, Abi. So we're going to find determinant of all. I'm going to shoot it inside back. So first one, this is the first one. And we are aware there is plus, minus, plus. So 2 into 4, 3, 0, 2. Then minus 2 into 0, 3, 0, 2. We should stop it, Abi. You can do it at home. Into 0, 4. Oh, yeah. 2. This is 8 minus 0. Minus 2. 0 minus 0. Plus 2. 0 minus 0. You see it now, things are easy. Here is 16, Abi. This is 0, Abi. This is 0, Abi. Gone. The other one, what's the next thing? 0, 0, 2. No. 0, 2, 2, Abi. 0, 4, 3. 0, 0, 2. And you see, this one is 0. Everything about it is 0. But let's just write it. 0, 4, 3, 0, 2. Plus, no. Minus 2. 0, 3, 0, 2. Abi? Plus 2 into 0, 4, 0, 0, Abi? You can see most of these things are this 0, Abi? Minus 2 into 0, Abi? Yes, now. Plus 2 into what? Everything is what? That one don't go. She says it's not much. Now, that's why they give you that. So that I can quickly handle it. Then 0, 0, 3, Abi? 0, 0, 2. The same thing. This first one is plus 0. Everything about it is gone. It's 0 also. So they expect you not to write everything down. You should be able to know that this one will be 0, 3, 0, 2. That everything here is 0. We're just writing it for those of us who want 0, 0, 0, 0. You know this is 0, Abi? So the result here is 0. Here is also 0. Here is also 0. Result is 0. So you can see that men looking at it, you know the answer will not work that way. This one is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 4, Abi? Then 0, 0, 0. This one too will be like that. Plus 0, 0, 4, 0, 0. Minus 2, 0, 4, 0, 0. Then plus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Abi? This is a 0. This is also 0. This is also what? 0, Abi? So the result here is 0. Everything does scatter.
The answer is there with this.
I don't know. Let's take it easy. What did we get here? 16,
Answer
Abi?
is 16.
1 into 16. Here is 0, Abi? Here is 0 also, Abi? The last one is also 0, Abi? Final answer? No, leave out. Leave out waiting the talk. No, leave out. Is the answer there? Simple. Okay.
Why
So,
you not
number
do
4.
triangular matrix, sir?
Is that?
And when you have a matrix that the below the principal diagonal are 0, the determinant of that matrix is a multiplication of the diagonal or the principal diagonal. So then 1 times 2 times 4 times 6 will also give you 16.
Determinant of what? Okay, okay.
This whole matrix, so the 4 by 4 matrix is a triangular upper matrix because the bottom diagonal
yes, it's triangular, yes. Triangular, but just that if I check 1, 2, okay, there's triangular there, apart from that 0 that put it there. So that means it's something like this. Like this. That's what you're saying, Abi?
Yeah, you will now rule from the 1, 2, 4, and 2. That diagonal line.
Rule from 1.
2,
You will now
4,
rule from 1, 2, 4,
4 and 2 downward.
One.
You will rule it from the up one to the 2 of the second row to the 4 of the third row.
That'll be 1 times 2 times 4 times 2, I mean?
Yeah, times.
Okay, that's okay. That's also good. But you know that sometimes, if it's not that type of matrices, if it's not upper diagonal or lower diagonal, then the situation will be different.
Yeah, it will be different.
Let me tell you, but in case, Seaboard, those of us here, are you seeing my hand? Are you seeing the hand? Multiply all that, what's the answer? So that's the answer. But the reason is the cos, because it's not every 4 by 4 that will be like that too. You can see this triangle, I mean, this zero form triangle. If you see zero like this, this zero is down. So this is known as upper triangular matrix. If the triangle is down, we say it's upper triangular matrix. If the triangle is up, we say it's lower. So when it is this kind of matrix, multiply diagonal, that is diagonal. Is that okay? But don't go deep for all of this one is because there's also that down. Are you following? So that I don't say the man say anytime you see that kind of down. This is still on top, which is for this first one. Other ones are all zero. Is it clear? And now you say, it says given A, then find the value of the element. Yeah, 69. Find the value of the element in the first row. Okay. When we multiply, we're only saying that when we multiply those values, we multiply it first row times first column. First row is 3421 times. I know that now. You can multiply now. All those spaces that is blank doesn't contain. There's way we should find A times B. That in that year A times B, that the first rule of matrix A should multiply the first column of matrix B, and that was your answer. You can't do that. It means 3 times 4 plus 4 times 3 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 6. What's the answer? Okay. And let's look at this one. This my friend they talk there. Even as I tell him, you don't understand. Okay, so. This is the question. I don't know. Okay, let me write it here so that we can do it here. This one is number 5. Number 4 there. It said this is A, 3, 4, 2, 1. 1, 3, 5, 6, 2, 7, 8, 1. There's something here, Abby. They did not give us. Then we should be looking at it. They say this is B. This is 4, 2. There's also something here, but they did not give us 3, 1, 2, 2, 6, 1. Is that okay? The question now says, if you say matrix A what? AB means A times B, Abby. The question says, find the value of the element in first row multiplied by first column of A times B. The question is simply saying 3 times 4 plus 4 times 3 plus 2 times 2 plus 1. What's the result? This is 12, Abby. This is 12. This is 4. This is 6. 34, Abby. This is 34. Is it there? It said the first rule.
Please, where can we get the
of this product? So the question is 2018, 2019. Number 4 there. Is it clear now? It's not hard. They just want you to run something with that row times what column, which I told you to go and. That's all. I didn't want to add. No ado. We're moving on to the next agenda. We have shown them.
Hello.
Yes. I can hear you.
Apology, I want to draw you back. It seems I don't get how you generate those numbers. 3 times 4, 4 times 3, 2 times 2. Please, I'm sorry.
Okay. You were around when we did multiplication one time. The rule for multiplication is roll times column. There is matrix A and there is matrix B the way it is left. The question now says that A times B, which is the product of A times A multiplied by B. When you are multiplying, the formula is row times column. The question now says that the first row, this is the first row, times the first column. And in multiplying, it means 3. First element here, multiplied by the first element, plus second, times second, plus third, times third, plus fourth, times fourth. And you run the total, that becomes the result. Is it clear?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We are moving on to other ones are not important. You only focus on what they say you should do. Don't tell them you know too much. Yes, just follow rules, and your life will never remain the same. 2017, 2018, 2017, 2018. In the objective there, we have solved it. Objective there was repeated. There was also 4 by 4. But this 4 by 4 is not like this one. You must run it to the end. Number 5. Matrix A. Are you seeing it? Open. 2017, 2018, have you? Section C. Section C, you can see 3, 5, 4. They are what we have done before. But that number 5, you must find determinant to the end. It's not like this time. Where we cancel diagonal. This one is ordinary number. It doesn't have triangle. No, those 0 does not form triangle. It's when the 0 form triangle, you start doing that story. But this one is, you have to solve this one the way we did from beginning. That one has gone. There's part 2 there. There is question 1. We say we should find the inverse. That inverse will begin to have minor matrix, matrix of cofactor, adjoint matrix. We'll come back to that. Let's quickly go to number 2 and apply this determinant we have known in solving this simultaneous that has 3 variables. Let's see how it works. Number 2 says, solve the following system of linear equation using Cramer's what? Rule. Using Cramer's what? Rule. Is that okay? Are you copying? I hope you are copying. Then, okay. Can I clean this? Wait. Help us snap. You are following. You can still ask more questions. Just keep on practicing. Your life will never remain. Follow just the rules. You are there. Yes, you are there. And if you walk into University of Lagos, get a copy of my book for those ones at home, so that they will not have matrices and other topics in mathematics. Especially set. You know it is set also. We're going to teach you set. But that might tell you teach yourself mathematics. Set inside. Get a copy. Set is part of the, they have added it. Abbas is taking set and this one, matrix. So you don't know what they have. Now this one they look at this old story. You need to concentrate on the concept line, current concept line. Don't rely on past current thought pattern. They set them from beginning to the end. Get a copy. You find sure you can read it on your own. I understand. It's easy. Oh, go there so that you can. When I just come, you find that. Okay, two questions on matrix, two questions on set. Okay, you pick one here. Pick one here.
Hello, sir.
Okay, anyone you like. If you like,
Yes, sir.
if it's me, I'll prefer set because set may not give me stress to get answer. One like matrices, I will solve, but whichever one you like, or whichever one you like. But if it's me, set will take me time to get answer. But if it's matrices, I will solve. Carry this one. You can see the way I solve 4 by 4 now. It's process too much. But if it's objective, you can just. But objective will cover all this. So you need to know them. Do not do to one in that last. But this exam, me, I'm talking as an individual, as maybe theory. But if it's objective, you need to know everything. So no wahala. Let's see.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Any questions? Those of us online, I will sit there.
One question, sir. This matrix is where is the application? Or where can we apply it?
Huh?
How can we apply this matrix in the real life?
In
The real life. How do we apply it?
okay, real life. Okay. Real life is just to apply it to analyze something. It's just research work sometimes, or just to allow somebody to think. Research work. For instance, I want to solve simultaneous equation. Then we apply another approach to get it, just to expand things or for research purposes. That's all. Because we can research issue and put it in matrix and then solve.
Better remove it.
Okay, we have number 6 for today. The question says solve the following system of the linear equation using Cramer's rule. As we know, x1 plus 4s2 plus 7s3 equal to 64. We have 4s1 plus 3s2 plus 7s3 equal to 62. 7s1 plus 4s2 plus 3s3 equal to 48. The way we did the other one too is the approach we apply. Look up. First row. First row is 3, 4, 7. 4, 3, 7. 7, 4, 3. They are all following, have you? S1, S2, S3 equal to 64, 62, 48. This is no more news for them. Any question? Have you seen the question? Number 2 now. Number 2, 2017, 2018, have you? Section C, I believe. Section C. Turn to the other page. And you will see down, the last one there, I believe. Yes, the last one. Is that okay? Have you seen it? And I know by correct one. There is another question, but which is still the same. But let's find out whether the one you have is original. 2017. Our own is 5-3. I believe you can see that the questions are similar. That means if you understand one, you can apply. Are we there? The original matrix is 347, 437, 743. So maybe well, they will not think it's always A we use. 3, 4, 7, 4, 3, 7, 7, 4, 3. This is the original matrix, Abi. Matrix P. We have matrix X1, Abi. First column. Swap with 64, 62, 48, 4, 4, 7, 7, 3. We have formed another matrix. We still move on. X2, second column will be swapped. Every other column remains constant. 3, 4, 7, 64, 63, 61, 7, 40, 7. Who be that? Who do now? For this small thing, what will they do? X3 Abi, third column swap. Every other column remains 7, 4, 3, then 60, 60, and 41. How many matrices are on the board? 4. Just like I told you that time. We're going to find determinant of all the 4. Have you finished? Let's tell you. This one I tell you. That time should always be tell. So we're going to find determinant of matrix P. We're going to find determinant of PS1, PS2, PX3. I will still follow that same path and will arrive at an acceptable answer. From all indications, we are moving to the permanent side. Okay, they are all seeing it. Determinant of P plus 1, 3 into 3, 7, 4, 3. Nobody is helping me, only me. 4. As if I'm the one that will do the exam. 4. Nobody is telling me anything. 7, 3. Only me. 7. What's that one? 4, 3, 7, 5. We thank God that somebody has responded. This one is 9 minus 28. Abi? Minus 4. 12 minus 49. Plus 7. 16 minus 21. I hope somebody is following. Minus what? Okay. Let's not give us. Minus what? This minus 19, Abi. Times 3 here now. No. I hope you are right. This one, subtract it. Minus will be plus. This minus 4. Minus something here. Times this. What do you have? Nobody is helping. Don't be calculated on this. 148, Abi. Plus. Okay, this one will turn to minus 35. What's the result? Minus 67 plus this minus 35. What do you have? 170. Minus this plus this minus 35. 108. Is it 56? Like this, Abi? Wow. S1 This is the next one. Plus 64 into 3743 Abi minus 4, 62, 7, 48, 3 plus 7 into 62, 3, 48, 4. Our 2 has gone. We have 64. 9 minus 28, Abi. Minus 4. Somebody here. 186, Abi. 7 times 48, what do you have? 48 times 7. 336 plus 7. This one called 52 times 248 minus 144. Oh yeah, subtract. This minus this times 64, what do you have? That should be minus 19, Abi. Is that? Oh. 1216. This one we have minus to become plus. Oh yeah. Times 4. Are they following? Are you following? 600. Tired. We are already leaving. This minus this. 728, Abi. Oh yeah, now add everything together. 1 1. 112. Like this, Abi. Okay, finally. Oh, not finally. And the 50 plus. Oh. S2 sharp. This one, you know, it's theory. You have to take your time. Write all those things down for them so that they know you know book. 48, 3 minus 64, 47, 73 plus 7, 4, 62, 748, Abi. Okay, 3, 62, that is the 186, Abi, minus 48 times 7, 336, minus 64, 12 minus 49, plus 7, 4 times 48, what do you have? 4 times 48, what do you have? 192. 62 times 7, 434. So what's the result here? This minus this. Minus 450. This one come. Minus. No, it's plus now. 3,120. Like this, Abi. This one will be minus. Minus something here. Times 7. What do you have? 1,700. Oh yeah. Minus, plus, minus. What do you have? I hope they are following. One 959. Okay. Finally, this method is called Cramer's rule, and that's what the question is 6 we use. Which one concern me? Come on to press calculator and call us. Down and walk. What is this one? What is this place? This is 1694. And you were there. 16 what? 94. This one go. Oh, 3 what? 2, 3, 6, 8. I mean, maybe they travel. Online, are you still there?
We can see it, sir.
2, 6, 8. You can see it and you did not correct it. Are you put tired? This one go. Okay, I think because when you were doing it, you were discussing. I know the answer not go correct. You trust her, you talk to her. How the thing go correct like that? Concentrate. 2. You say it's 2 4 now. Well, you know the reason. Why not tell us? How you go stop your house? How you go there alone? Why will you be indifferent? You should let us know what's going on. Now all this time now we just wasted. 3 3 Jare. 5 around the go. This is 3 4 48 Jare. Minus 4 4 62 7 48 plus 64 4 3 7 4. I hope it's correct. Plus 3 6 2 40 4 4 6 2 7 48. Okay. 48 times 3, what do you have? 48 times 3. 144. Others are not talking now. When they finish, they say the same right. 248. Make sure you participate so that we get it right figure once. 4 times 48. 192. 62 times 7. 434. Plus 64 is 16 minus 21. Are they? Result here. This is a minus. The result here multiply by 3. 104. Are they? You see, I go just the copy figure now. Wow. It's everything. 312. Then this one is going to be plus. Subtract this and multiply. It said 968. Others are there. 968. This side is minus. This is minus 5. Abi? What?
Minus 5 now.
Minus what? 325. Result. Minus plus minus. I thought there's something is wrong. This is 320, Abi. Because this is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. But others will just keep quiet until you don't write and finish. And what's the result? Not what I can say. You know you do anything. 3. So this is our question. The analysis of the format, original matrix, matrix by swapping, making 4. We have found determinant of the original. We have found determinant of all the whole 4. We are expected to find what? X1 to show that we have solved. First one, X1 is determinant of X1 all over determinant of P. Determinant of S2, Px2 all over determinant of the original. S3, Ps3 determinant all over P. S. Okay, don't finish. Oh yeah, They got determinant of PS1. Where is it? Is it 114, Abi? 112. Is this correct? Original is 5, Abi. Answer is 2, Abi. Is it 2? Good. This one, is it 224, Abi? All over 56. What do you have? Is it 5 or 4? 4. Good. This one got 3, 336, Abi. They agree. What's the result? 6. Good. Let's go and find out whether we are right or because this calculation I did on the board, I don't trust that too much. I'll find out. First one is what? 2. Abi? The result there is 6, Abi? This one is 4. The result is 16. This one is 6. The result is 42. Is that 64? Is this 64? That means that is correct. You are looking for it. No, 64 without pressing the calculator. That one has gone. The first
How did you
equation is in
verify it,
order.
sir? Hello, sir. How did you verify it? I didn't get how you verified that answer.
See it now. This is 3 times x1, Abi.
Yes.
Hello? And
Yes, sir.
x1 is what? X1 on the board is 2, Abi. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 6 is 42. Add everything together, it must give you this. If it does not, it shows you have not done a good job. You start all over and check it. Second one, 4 times 2 is what? 8. 3 times 4, 12. 7 times 6, 42. Is it giving us 62? Yes. We are doing well. The last one, even those who did not participate, will understand. 7 times 2 is 14. What happened? You solve any question today. Then 4 times 4, 16. Then 3 times 7, 21. Okay, 3 times 3, 9, Abi. 9 now. Was that 6? Okay, 18, Abi. Check. Is that 48? Yes. Well, thank God for the grace. It's not easy. You may know it and be on the board and get it. But we'll thank God for it. It's not easy. No, they will mark step. And a math may not be story. The math. Is that? No, that is long. Because first of all, I should do so. You know, I normally touch that first one. Okay. You know, I normally touch the first one. What's the first number on top? No. First number in that matrix. 3, 5. This 5, I'll touch it. When I touch it, what I will get is a 2 by 2 matrix. I will now find the determinant of the 2 by 2. Replace it with 5. When they get answer, they go. Do like that till I fill in a new matrix. That's a matrix, which is called minor matrix. Is that okay? After that, you now move ahead to what we call co-matrix. Matrix of cofactor. Before you go to adjoint, before you now get the invert. It's a long story. And we can't do that today. Because even this one I have done, they are trying to, comprehend. It's not a problem, but it's easy. And if you look at it, apart from that one, let me just comb through this thing and know what remains. You can see that everything we are doing is just similar. Those of us online, any question? Okay. Everything, virtually everything we have done. I'm just opening the papers. We have done virtually everything. It's just for you to practice. This is 4 by 4. We have taught them 4 by 4. Apart from that inverse, is that okay? That's all. There's no other thing I'm seeing here.
There's no other thing. This one is this one is a 5 by 5 matrix. The way you find determinant. I've taught you all these things. I've taught you the time objective. Eh? Okay. No while if they are there. Online, are you still there? Okay. If you are still there, I'm checking the past questions, looking for what you have not done as far as matrix is concerned. From what I'm seeing, we have done, it's only the inverse. I remember we have not done. Only inverse. So just remind me. It's only
Also
inverse.
the adjoints.
Eh?
Adjoints.
That's the inverse now. Inverse of 3 by 3. That's where you have adjoint. ADJ. Adjoint. So you will do transpose and get the inverse. So immediately you do the transpose, you become an adjoint. But when you put in the inverse, join it, it becomes the inverse matrix of 3 by 3. So that is every other thing we have done. We have taught you determinant of 2 by 2, 3 by 3, and you have seen it here 4 by 4. So I have checked all the questions. There's only one thing. Before I start a new topic, I just quickly do it, which is inverse everything. Yes, we have done everything as far as this kind of exam is concerned. Only one thing, inverse of 3 by 3, which is not difficult. As far as we know determinants, we can do it. So that is the only thing I will just add, and then one other thing as the case before we start another topic. For now, any questions? Those of us online? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, I don't think they have. At least the matrices, we have tried our best. The one we have done today and the one we did last week. Any question? We taught you how to add, taught you how to subtract, taught you how to multiply, and probably we could also divide. Because if we have